Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So after the signs I'm about to give to you, you don't need to sit here to let you know that this relationship is not for you or they are actually not for you. Number one, one-sided love. So you are the only one doing everything, you're the only one texting, you're the only one buying gifts, you're the only one spending your time, you're the only one giving you words of affirmation. Everything couples do, you are the only one doing it, and you are in a relationship with another person, not yourself. It is a sign to know that this is not for you. I'm so sorry to break it this way for you, but if you're the only one doing the loving, doing the caring, a relationship thrives when two people are actively involved in giving out your love, in giving out all there is to give out. So if you're the only one doing all of these things consistently, I am very sorry to tell you that they don't deserve you. That is the word. They don't deserve you. They don't deserve your love, your words, your everything. They don't deserve you. So this relationship is not for you. Two ways to know that this is not for you is you are stagnant in your life. So since you met them, you've never achieved any goal. Since you met them, you've never done anything worthwhile in your life. The business you wanted to start, you didn't do it because of them, because of the so-called love you are giving out or you're receiving. You have been stagnant in your life. No growth, no progress, nothing significant have happened in your life. It is a sign that they are not for you. You are not supposed to be in this relationship, because relationships are meant to grow you. When you come together with somebody else, you are meant to learn how to be better. You're meant to learn how to expand. You're meant to learn how to grow higher. So I don't see any reason why you are still in the relationship when you are stagnant since you started dating this person. So they're not for you. Number three way to know that they are not for you again is your love for God is no longer there. No more love for God. So since this relationship started, you no longer go to church, you no longer do the things you used to do when you were single, you no longer love the Lord the way you used to do. Why? You don't need a pastor to come and tell you that they are not for you. Anybody that really wants you to thrive in life will make sure every area of your life is growing, even your love for God, even your spiritual life. That should be a key point to that person. So if you are slacking in some kind of way, that person should tell you to wake up. That person should help you to grow. So I don't see any reason why you are staying in a relationship. I did a video about this, about when ladies, they tend to forget when they go into relationships. Number one thing is the spiritual life, the spiritual growth, and also every area of their life. They forget to grow. Why? The four key, this one is quite funny, and I don't see any reason why anybody should date without this. So, dating without marriage in view. You are wasting your time, my brother, my sister. If you are dating somebody without marriage in view, you are actually wasting your time. They are not for you. Let's say you are the only one talking about marriage, or you are the only one wanting to take this very serious, you're the only one wanting to get married, and they don't seem to care. They seem to just push the conversation aside whenever you bring it up. It is a sign that you are in the wrong place. So if you are serious-minded, you love this person, and then brought up the topic times without numbers, and you want this person to really take you seriously, and they're not giving you any tangible reasons, probably finances, time, whatever it is, nothing. They just push the topic under the carpet. You are in the wrong place. So please pick yourself up and leave. It is actually wrong to even date without marriage in view. I know that marriage is not like the ultimate goal, but listen, even if you're not going to get married in the nearest future, it should be something you talk about. So why are you dating? Are you going to date till Jesus comes? So why are you in a relationship if you're not going to tie the knot at the end of the day? So why? The last point I have for you is you don't find fulfillment, you don't have peace in the relationship, nothing is working out. So I'm still trying to understand why you are still in that relationship. If you don't have peace, quarrels every day, and I don't believe the fact that people say you have to quarrel with somebody to know that they love you. That is a lie from the pit of hell. It's a lie. The Bible never says that you must quarrel or you must have argument upon argument and fights to know that this person really loves you. That's a lie. So you don't have peace every time you're fighting, every time there's something to disagree about, you guys don't agree on anything. So why are you dating the person? Why? So I don't know. I think 3 of my points right now be ending with why. So this is a very serious topic. These things are key areas of your life. You must grow. You must grow in your business, in your finances, in your mental capacity. You must grow in every area of your life if you are dating somebody. If all of these things are not in place, you are in your wrong place and they are not for you. And also you must date with marriage in view. You must date with an end game in view. And after that goal has been achieved, then you shift it forward to something higher. And also, if as a single person you are achieving so much and then you get into a relationship and you are not achieving anything, or you're just staying where you were, I don't think you're supposed to be in that relationship, because 2 should chase 10,000. So 1 is chasing 1,000, 2 is actually going to chase multiplied version of what you have been chasing when you were single. So these are the 5 ways to know that they are not for you. I have more. I am going to do another video. I also don't want this video to be too long. So thank you so much for watching. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so. I have lots of videos for you right here on this channel. Thank you so much for watching to this point. I really appreciate you. So I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.